Cat green zone, yen red zone, bottom of the pile where it belongs. Nice swing break, retracement back to the 50-61% level. That structure there, that's the area I'm looking for long. So I'm waiting for a retracement. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It is Wednesday, 3 July 2024. Today I will be trading long Euro, Aussie and the CAD, and short in the Swiss, the Yen and the New Zealand. So let's kick off with the dollar index. Well, now closing below this rising trend line, busy retesting, seeing a little bit of push last night, but the dollar's lost its green spot and going back into neutral, strongish neutral. So I don't know what the dollar wants to do. It looks very strong. All the other indicators are bullish. You can see my long-term, medium-term, and short-term is bullish. That one is just a neutral kind of bullishness. So it's not that clear-cut on the intraday stuff. But I have to stay bullish. That's it. I can't do anything else. Gold holding well for a retest. I was looking at this and say, right, it's retracing, retesting, and I needed a fall over, a fast fall over. So this three small real bodies negates the bullishness of the retest, but also negates the bearishness of the break in the retest. So for now, I'm pretty neutral, but we can see that on the dollar. So I'm staying neutral, not going to do that much. If it breaks through that falling trend line, yes, my whole story will change. When this red line turns blue, I'll be full on bullish with that thing. But for now, I'm staying neutral on gold. And Bitcoin, doing the retracement now, which I was sort of waiting and hoping for. So I would like to see a retest to confirm this trend line. It's a very short-term trend line, so I like to see a retest that the market confirms it as structure. The market already confirmed this lateral support level, but the break, I don't know if market's looking at this trend line. So a retest and then a strong reversal from here, or potentially turning into a double bottom. That would definitely then give me a lot more bullish feelings than I've got at present. This is still red, so I'm still sitting on the sideline. These are all signals for potential reversals to the bull side. I won't short this, so I'm not interested in shorting this. So I'm waiting for the bull setups, and then I'll wait patiently for that to turn bullish. But this will give us an indication, another test. It's always a good thing. A retest is always a good thing. It means the market is sure what they want to do. These little V bottoms and V tops, they don't last that long. They can be very powerful, but when they don't retest, the market is a bit squeamish on following that trend. Then Aussie Swiss, lovely. We got the long last week. I showed it here on this video. So we had another opportunity adding in there. Missed my target there. I trailed my stop loss to entry, and then yesterday, after missing it at first, it hit the final target there. So I'm out of this trade at about a just more than 1 to 1.5 risk reward. So you risk 1%, you gained 1.5%. Now going further, but that's outside the scope of my strategies that I do. I've hit my targets. I'm done with it. I will only get interested in again when it retraces back to the support level here. You can see Aussie, all the sparkle definitely. And then the Swiss franc is red, just fighting with the yen to be the weakest possible one. So I'm definitely waiting for a retest still. I will definitely wait and see if it happens. I want to be long here still. I've got no other direction yet, but I don't want to be long up there. I've just hit target, so I'll step away for a day or two. And then on the retest here, I will get interested yet again. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then CAD Yen, CAD green zone, Yen red zone, bottom of the pile where it belongs. Nice swing break, retracement back to the 50-61% level. That structure there, that's the area I'm looking for long. So I'm waiting for a retracement, counter reversal, and then I'll take some long positions. Euro Yen, I'm still after this gap level here, but it's running away for this time. But when it gets back there in the future, I will still be interested. It's still at 61% level of the current swing here. So on a retracement back there, I'll get interested. I will not chase it up there and try to catch the bull trend from there. When we look at the New Zealand, US New Zealand, you can see a red zone, dollar quite neutral, but I'm after the New Zealand short. It did retest there, the structure, but no candle reversal yet. So I'm still waiting. I'm going to look for another retest there and then a nice sharp candle reversal. And then I'll get interested in some shorts on the New Zealand. Look at the US Swiss. Nice swing up the page. Retracement back to 50% right at market structure here. Dollar, not interested, but Swiss short, definitely interested. And going long here will give me the short on that Swiss. So I'll definitely wait for the retest and a nice candle reversal, and then I'll attempt some longs. Then looking at the pound Swiss. Pound, not that after, but Swiss short I'm after. So going long here will give me the short on the Swiss. So I need a retracement back to this level. I'm not going to buy up there, definitely not. It's runaway. But if you draw the Fibonacci in from there to there and you see a retracement back to the 50% level, structure busy forming there. So I'm looking at that area. Other than that, if it goes much further today, I might consider later that level, or maybe tomorrow. Although tomorrow is the 4th of July, Independence Day in the US. After Christmas and New Year, the biggest holiday. So I don't expect that much from the markets tomorrow. But today we still have time. But if it moves further, we'll consider that. But for now, that's the level I'm after. In the pound yen, pound neutral, but the yen, bottom of the pile, that's the one I'm trying to be short in, and buying this will give me that short. Now, the same scenario as the pound Swiss. I like to see the retracement back to this 50 or 61% level, structure busy forming. But if I get a much stronger run from there later today, before it starts to retrace, I will then also consider this level here. And then this structure could become support for us. So guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. So don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.